Alright, so you've heard about Acorns. Maybe you're already investing small change, or maybe you're just starting to consider it. But one question keeps popping up. How do you actually get your money into this little acorn of an investment app? Well, that's where direct deposit comes in. Let's face it, manually transferring money is a pain. It's like trying to water a plant with a teaspoon. Tedious, right? Direct deposit is like setting up a steady drip feed, ensuring your investment garden is constantly nourished. So, let's dive into how to make this happen. First things first, you need an Acorns checking account. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. It's basically a digital wallet that lives within your Acorns app. Think of it as the soil for your financial growth. Once you've got that sorted, it's time to connect the pipes, or in this case, your paycheck. To set up direct deposit, log into your Acorns account. You'll find the option to set up direct deposit under your checking account settings. It's usually tucked away in a little gear icon or settings menu. Don't worry, it's not hidden behind a maze of options. Acorns wants your money to work for you. Once you're there, you'll have two main options. Option 1, the easy button. Acorns partners with a service called Pinwheel to make the process super smooth. You connect your employer or payroll provider through Pinwheel, and boom! Your paycheck starts flowing directly into your Acorns checking account. It's like having a money tree that grows with every payday. Option 2, the DIY approach. If you prefer to take control, you can manually set up direct deposit by filling out a direct deposit form. You'll need your Acorns checking account and routing number, which you can find within the app. This option gives you more flexibility, but it might require a bit more paperwork. Once your direct deposit is set up, you can choose how much of your paycheck you want to invest. You can allocate a specific amount, a percentage, or even round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. It's like finding extra change in your pockets, but instead of spending it on gum, you're growing your future. Now, let's talk about the benefits of direct deposit. It's like autopilot for your finances. You don't have to remember to transfer money, and you're more likely to stick to your savings goals. Plus, with Acorns Found Money feature, you can earn extra cash back from partnered retailers and automatically invest those rewards. It's like getting paid to save. But wait, there's more. Direct deposit isn't just about investing. You can also use your Acorns checking account for everyday spending. It's like having a smart piggy bank that helps you save while you spend. And guess what? Some Acorns plans offer FDIC insurance on your checking account, giving your money an extra layer of protection. So, there you have it. Setting up direct deposit with Acorns is easier than you think. It's like planting a seed for your financial future. With a little effort, you can watch your money grow, one paycheck at a time. Remember, consistency is key. Even small amounts invested regularly can make a big difference over time. So, don't be afraid to start small. Every acorn starts as a tiny seed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.